Hi everyone, welcome to Yogat Matter channel. My name is Sanait and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to greet people in Amharic or greetings in Amharic. By the way, Amharic is official language of Ethiopia and it's also my mother tongue. Before start to dive in and learn greetings, you know work both the formal and informal greetings. So don't forget subscribe, like and share my videos. Thanks for that. In on here you can find both formal and informal greetings that is similar to English. So you can learn with me here today the informal greetings. So let's start. So greetings with Amharic. So there is a greeting and what is the response for the greeting. So if you want to say like hello in hello in Amharic translation is it means salam. Salam. So hello it is salam. So you want to say somebody, some Ethiopian guy, you want to say hello in Amharic, you can say salam. Salam, salam. So hello, it's the Amharic translation is salam, and the response also is salam, 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 hi, salam. So the other is hi, hi, hi. Also, it is hi, or in Amharic translation, it is hi, or it's the same for hello. It is salam. So hi, salam, salam, hi, salam, Abel. You can say like this. And good morning. So you want to say somebody greeting in the morning, you can say good morning in Amharic translation, indeed adark for a male and indeed adark for a female. Indeed adark for a male or a boy and indeed adark for a girl. And for elder, if the person is elder or it is higher in age, you can say indeed addaru. Indeed addaru. So for elders, you can say indeed at for male and for female. For both elders, for both six elders, you can say indeed addaru. Indeed addaru. So for the responses for this, for if for a lot of peoples or for a group of peoples or for more than one people, you can say እንዴት አደራችሁ እንዴት አደራችሁ. This እንዴት አደራችሁ for a group of people or for more than two people. If there is a more than two people, two persons, you can say እንዴት አደራችሁ እንዴት አደራችሁ. So this እንዴት አደራችሁ for a group of people. So the answer of the response for this is ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን. So እንዴት አደርክ Abel? If you want to say Abel, እንዴት አደርክ Abel? So the response from Abel is ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን or ደህና አላህ ይመስገን. So this is the responses ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን or ደህና አላህ ይመስገን. So for good afternoon. So if you want to say somebody hi in afternoon, you can say for a boy and a girl እንዴት ዋልክ? እንዴት ዋልክ for a boy and እንዴት ዋልሽ for a girl. እንዴት ዋልክ for a boy or for a man and እንዴት ዋልሽ for a girl and a girl. So እንዴት ዋሉ for elders. For elders, if you want to say good afternoon for elders, you can say in Amharic እንዴት ዋሉ እንዴት ዋሉ. So you can use this እንዴት ዋሉ. For a group of people or for more than two persons, you can say እንዴት ዋላችሁ እንዴት ዋላችሁ. So the answer is the same for ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን. The response from them is ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን or ደህና አላህ ይመስገን. So and for good evening, so in the evening time, you can say for a boy እንደምን አመሸ እንደምን አመሸ and for a girl እንዴት አመሸሽ እንዴት አመሸሽ እንዴት or እንደምን. So for a girl እንዴት አመሸሽ, for a boy እንዴት አመሸ እንዴት አመሸ. For elders you can say እንዴት አመሹ. You can say እንዴት አመሹ for elders እንዴት አመሹ. And for a group of people or for more than two persons, you can say እንዴት አመሻችሁ እንዴት አመሻችሁ. So the answer is the same for above the others. So ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን. So the answers is the same. The response so ደህና ፈጣሪ ይመስገን. And how are you? How are you? So this if you want to say somebody how are you? So you can say in Amharic እንዴት ነህ for a boy and እንዴት ነሽ for a girl. እንዴት ነህ for a boy and እንዴት ነህ for a boy and እንዴት ነሽ for a girl. And for elders you can say እንዴት ኖት. እንዴት ኖት. If you want to say how are you in Amharic for elders you can say እንዴት ኖት. እንዴት ኖት. And for a group of people እንዴት ናችሁ. እንዴት ናችሁ. So you can say እንዴት ናችሁ. And so the answer is for the threes for how are you. If you say somebody how are you and the answer is ደህና ነኝ አመሰግናለሁ. ደህና ነኝ አመሰግናለሁ. It is the same for the three. So the answer or the response is the same for the threes and ደህና ነኝ አመሰግናለሁ. ደህና ነኝ አመሰግናለሁ. So you can say like this. And if you meet somebody in the road or somewhere, so if you say nice to meet you, so you can say in Amharic ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል. ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል. And come to you home or place. So if you want to say welcome, so in Amharic you can say እንኳን ደህና መጡ. እንኳን ደህና መጡ. You can say እንኳን ደህና መጡ for elders and for boy and for girls. And but for a group of people you can say እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ. እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ. So the answer from them is እንኳን ደህና ቆያችሁ. እንኳን ደህና ቆያችሁ. The answer is the same for elders and for a group of people. So as a response for you እንኳን ደህና ቆያችሁ. እንኳን ደህና ቆያችሁ. So if you want to say somebody goodbye, so you can say in Amharic ደህና ሁን for a boy and ደህና ሁኚ for a girl. ደህና ሁን for a boy and ደህና ሁኚ for a girl. And if you want to say for elders goodbye, you can say in Amharic ደህና ይሁኑ. ደህና ይሁኑ. ደህና ይሁኑ. And for a group of people ደህና ሁኑ. ደህና ሁኑ. ደህና ሁኑ. So guys, so this is all about this lesson. So it's enough for today. So thanks for watching my videos. So I will upload more videos in future that is important for you in God's will. So have a good time and see you in another video. Bye.